Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the animal and object detection using machine learning. So let's browse any input image. Okay, then it will convert into grayscale image. Like that we can upload any video. Let's select any video. Okay, then it will recognize like this is a horse and that will be person. So first it will detect and then recognize the object. This complete project is trained on large data set of the object and the person animal. So this is the home page and the user interface developed using Techie library, that is Python inbuilt library. Okay, let's check for another video. It is showing like this is a dog and this will be a person. So this type of project we are developing related to computer science domain. In Python, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, neural network, OpenCV, Java, Android. If you are searching a type of project, you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description. Or else, if you have any doubt, then you can comment on comment section. I will try to reply soon. You can also visit our website like www.techieprojects.com. Let's check for the another video. In that video, there is a cow. So it is shown the cow. Like that, this is the complete project, which is based on the image and video both, and model is trained on the YOLO algorithm, and Python language is used to develop this project and develop using YOLO and Python library. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Don't forget like, comment and share. Thank you.